Right, dude.
Oh, dude. Stop.
Yo, Joy, what the fuck's wrong?
Stop.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to finish the wrap for the 335i today. We have Mason and Jamar in the background trying to remove the rear bumpers right now.
Man, shut the fuck up, bitch.
Whoa, chill out, bro. And then we have John trying to remove pieces of the front bumper.
Yo, we didn't.
What? What are you doing?
No, nothing.
Yeah, fucker.
King Julian? King Julian? King Julian? Man, I'm not.
No, Mark, you cannot touch my beat.
Man, I'll help you guys.
Yeah.
Dude, fucking bitch.
Yeah, I know.
You made me mess up, you stupid shit.
If it curves more than my dick, it ain't straight.
So right now we're stretching up the wrap and trying to glass it as much as we can, so that we can get a clean surface to finish it up on. We're almost there. Alright, so I'm halfway done with the roof. Just need to keep tucking the rest of the edges and then tucking the rest in. But this is what it looks like so far. Nice and glossy. But yeah, we have most of the car done already. I don't think we took too much footage of us wrapping the side skirts and the roof. So for the top of the roof, we wrapped it in a gloss black. This is what it looks like so far. Turned out pretty good. Pretty clean looking. You were thinking about wrapping this back to black to match the top. But we'll do that in a little bit. Nice. Nice.
Eventually.
This was a bitch. This was like me and Mason's job. And then, yeah, we didn't finish. So Jason, the god of rap, literally just finished the bottom. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Tomorrow.
Quick update, we just got the rear bumper off after struggling for like 10 minutes. Finally came off. Now we're taking off the rear diffusers.
Like this guy has some little patchwork up in here, dude.
And yeah, it looks like the rear bumper's been repaired a little before. But yeah, took off all the sensors, the rear backup sensors, and we're gonna get it ready, prepped for vinyl wrap. And we'll probably finish in an hour or two, front and rear bumper, and that's about it for the entire car. We're gonna pull it out, probably shoot a few rollers, take some pictures, find a good spot.
Shit, it went up time.
And then, yeah, dude.
Is that fine?
I think that looks pretty good, dude.
That's a very good angle.
It looks pretty good.
Eternity later.
So we're almost done. Almost. Turn. Yo, you put the heat gun on my foot, bro. Alright.
Backing down, so what the hell can we do now?
Tell me tomorrow.
Bro, you don't need me, bro. On camera, it don't look too bad.
Like we got some dust,
But
like
it is a definitely
whether or not it's avoidable or not, you know what I mean?
it's a 5-foot car. Definitely.
Not yet. He's staying there, you motherfucker. Alright, so we just finished wrapping the entire car.
It's fucking
It's-
tilted, bro. Give me
I know.
this shit.
Here, you hold it. But yeah, we finished wrapping the entire car. This is what it looks like so far. Have the roof blacked out. Everything's all nice and clean. Decently clean. Actually, it's hella dusty if you look at it. Super dusty. It's been sitting for a few weeks now. But yeah, we got new emblems, everything. It's looking pretty good under the lighting chevron, I guess. Stay tuned in next week's video. We got something pretty cool coming up. Involves carbon fiber bits. So, yes, we'll see you guys in a bit. Finish up, wrap up, do a few little video shots, and then we're out. Peace.
What?